Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to make your AnyDesk unattended access so that you don't need to ask to accept your offer to connect with the other machine. So how to do that? You need to open your AnyDesk like this. You want to enable this access for this device, you can do this, or you can remotely do the same steps. Now click on this. Now you will see options like this. Okay, now you need to go to the right side and you can see here the row which is general. Click on here. Now you need to click on setting option, you can get it. Now you need to go to security option, click on security option here and find the option unattended access. Enable this option. You may get the other option to navigate the panel, but you need to follow the same steps which I'm going to show you. Now you need to type here your password. So hope this video helps you. If then yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.